Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a beautifully simple but extremely powerful idea in physics, the spring mass oscillator. In this holographic animation, the block moves back and forth according to the equation xt equals a cos omega t, where omega equals square root k/m is the natural frequency of the system. Here our mass is 1 kilogram, the spring constant is 10 newtons per meter, and the amplitude is 0.8 meters, so you can actually watch the displacement, velocity, and energies update in real time. When the spring is stretched the most, the mass slows down. This is where potential energy, Pe equals 1/2 kx superscript 2, is maximum and kinetic energy is near zero. As the mass moves inward, the stored spring energy converts into motion, raising Ke equals 1/2 mv superscript 2 while Pe drops. At the center point, the block is moving its fastest, Ke peaks, and Pe reaches its minimum. Then the cycle reverses, showing perfect energy exchange in simple harmonic motion. This is the same physics behind car suspension, vibration absorbers, guitar strings, and even molecular vibrations. If you're enjoying these holographic physics visuals and real-life explanations, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.